Mr. Chair, if I may.
Yes, Congressman.
Can we inquire
Garin.
from other resource person if indeed a memorandum of agreement is needed when you use the, what do you call that? The special vehicle. Armored vehicle.
Ms. Camposano. Ma'am, before I recognize you, the chair would like to recognize Senior Deputy Speaker, Don Gonzales. Yes, please continue.
Yes, Madam Chair. A memorandum of agreement is needed for us the day to deliver the cash to our client.
In this case, did you not suggest or recommend to the agencies concerned that the cash be delivered by your armored vehicle, considering that this is cold cash and you are in Metro Manila where there is traffic and those traffic stops can actually put the danger of our DepEd and OVP officials in jeopardy? Kasi ang dali-dali lang yan, may mag-text lang, ayan o, naglalabas ng pera, unless marami ang nag-secure sa OVP at sa DepEd para ilabas yung cash na ito.
Or bulletproof din ang gamit.
Or the next question is, saan ito nilalagay? Kasi syempre, ang laking pera, kunyari 125 million cash, bibit-bitin mo pa uwi sa opisina, gaano po kalaki ang office ni Ma'am Gina Acosta? Maybe we can ask
Representative from OVP. Attorney Sanchez.
Yes, Mr. Chair. It's just a small office, Mr. Chair, and it's shared with other staff.
So, Mr. Chair, Your Honors, no? Tama naman po na yung accountable is Miss Gina Acosta because she's the payee of the check. However, that's taxpayers' money. That's still pera ng sambayan ng Pilipino na in-entrust sa OVP at sa DepEd. And our good, distinguished resource person here, Attorney Sanchez, tama na. I'm not sure, Mr. Chair, I'm not a lawyer, but is it not that they will also be accountable because they are aware that a 125 million cash check will be encashed, brought back in cold cash, stored in the office that is shared by many people. So I think accountability does not stop with Ms. Acosta. Accountability also includes those in the finance and cash division kasi alam nila, unang-una, kapag ikaw ay nasa gobyerno, you have to make sure na yung cash na nasa office nyo ay tama-tama lang para hindi hold upin yung mga empleyado doon. Pangalawa, it's a shared office. Pangatlo, it's a huge amount. May I ask, Mr. Chair, ma'am, bakit po, instead of 125 million cash, 4 na beses, ba't di nyo na lang ginawang 10 million, 15 million, lower, para yung risk hindi malaki? Kasi di ba nasa opisina nyo nakatago ang pera? Bakit po?
Attorney Sanchez.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I would just like to clarify that I do not know if kung saan po nakatago yung pera. So, I'm not aware kung sa opisina
So you
po
are not
nakatago.
sure na from the bank, tinediretso sa office?
Yes, Mr. Chair. And then, in terms of the amount...
Mr. Chair, sorry to cut you on that, ha? Ma'am, kayo ang nagpaparelease, kayo ang nag-i-issue ng cheque. I-encash. Malaking amount. Ibig sabihin, hindi nyo na chine-check na napupunta sa opisina nyo? Next question, Mr. Chair. Is there a possibility that it is being brought by Gina Acosta to her house?
Mr. Chair, again, I do not have personal knowledge.
Is it possible?
Mr. Chair, for possibility, I would agree that there is possibility, Your Honor.
In this case, Mr. Chair, ma'am, pasensya na po. Pero you are in charge of the coffers of the OVP. You would release a check of 125 million, not once, not twice, not thrice, but 4 times, and cash it totally, and then pinapabayaan nyo na lang, kung inuwi yan at tinakbo ng tao.
Mr. Chair, under the joint circular, it is the responsibility of the special disbursing officer to safekeep the fund. So it is also for that reason that there is a bond for the special disbursing officer. And as to the amount that was asked earlier, we just relied on the amount of the disbursement voucher that was submitted to the accounting division for the release of the checks, Mr. Chair.
Yeah. Mr. Chair,
Ma'am, sandali lang po,
Yes.
may isang tatanong lang ako. Kanina sinabi po ninyo maliit lang yung opisina ni Ma'am Gina Acosta. Tama po ba? Could you please describe the office of Miss Gina Acosta?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, the office of Ms. Gina Acosta, it's located in the executive wing of our office. So, different staff sila doon, and then parang cubicle lang siya na tabi-tabi.
Cubicle lang.
Yes, Mr.
Wala
Chair.
ba siyang taguan doon sa opisina niya ng pera?
I am not aware, Mr. Chair.
So, pag sinabi mong cubicle, di ibig sabihin, hindi siya talaga office.
Yes.
Tama ba?
Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, there is no way na po pwede niyang itago sa opisina niya yung 125 million. Tama po ba? Kasi cubicle lang eh.
Mr. Chair, may mga storage shelves doon sa opisina.
Storage shelf.
Shelves, cabinets, Mr. Chair.
Cabinet, but not
Yes.
vault.
I'm not aware of any vault, Mr. Chair. And I have not inspected the storage shelves, Mr. Chair.
Chairman.
Yes. Congressman Paduano.
Nasa likod ako eh. But anyway, Mr. Chairman, yung land bank ba? Land bank, ano ba talaga nangyari? You delivered, kinuha, 125 million?
Mr. Chair, kinuha po siya sa bank.
Yung 125 million?
Yes, Mr.
Sino yung cashier teller at the time?
3 tellers po yung involved, different checks po.
Different checks. Ilang checks yun?
4 checks, sir.
Mr. Chairman, can we invite in the next hearing the tellers involved in this transaction? Para magkalinawan po tayo dito kasi I doubt, Mr. Chairman. Ma'am, Land Bank, do you have a MOA with the Office of the Vice President?
No, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado po kayo?
Opo.
Wala kayong MOA?
MOA for the cash delivery, no, Mr. Chair.
How about cash deposits?
We have a MOA payroll lang po.
Sorry?
Payroll.
Payroll, not cash advances on other projects and transaction.
Yes,
How kindly submit then yung MOA nyo with the OVP para matingnan namin. What was the last date nung MOA nyo?
2022.
O paki-submit po para matingnan natin. Then, Mr. Chairman, we invite all the tellers involved.
Could you please submit the names, the list of the names of the tellers
Yes, Mr.
to the COMSEC? Okay.
Yes,
Before
Mr. Chair, last lang po.
Yes, Congressman
Ma'am,
Paduano.
the transaction happens when?
Yung isa po, first check 2022 and the rest na 3 checks 2023.
Ito po, 2022?
Yes, Mr.
How
Chair.
much is the 2022 transaction?
125 million.
Then, yung 2023?
3 checks po, 125 each transaction.
125 each transaction. So, yung 2022 yung 125 each transaction. Tama?
125.
Okay. Now, ma'am, ganito, 125, ma'am, ha? Ilang, ano yan? Ilang luggage yan?
Mr.
Sabihin natin.
Chair, ano po, duffel bag daw po.
Duffel bag?
Opo.
Oh,
gym bag.
Gym
Apat
bag.
na gym
Gym
bag.
bag po.
Gym bag.
Gym bag?
Yung
So may get, that's around 30 million per bag?
more or less, Mr. Chair.
Ano yung more or less? Oh, yeah. Now, that was 2022, 2023, di ba?
Yes, Mr.
Okay.
Chair.
Ito lang po, ma'am. From the teller, sino nang bitbit palabas? Of course, sa sasakyan ni, ni Acosta, di ba? Sinong bumitbit?
Client po, Mr. Chair.
Sorry?
Client po.
Yeah.
Client.
May nag-assist po kay Miss Gina ako.
Na client, not your,
No.
not your personnel.
Hindi
Sigurado
po,
ka?
Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, ganito na, Mr. Chair. Can we issue a subpoena at those is taken with regards to the CCTV during the time. Mama, tandaan nyo, may record kayo dyan involving that transaction, Mr. Chairman, para makita natin kung nandun talaga si Acosta, wala. Because this happens, ma'am, in some of transaction being made by government agencies. And it was also investigated in my committee. Pakisabit mo yung transaction na yun, 2022 at saka 2023, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Second.
Is
Mr.
there any
Chair,
objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Congress, DS, JJ Suarez.
curious lang ako dito sa pagbubuhat nung
Duffel
duffel
bag.
bag. Oo. Comsec, meron kasi akong hiram na duffel bag dito. Pakita mo nga kung ito yung ganito kalaki yung duffel bag. Mama, ganyan kalaki?
Opo. Meron pa yatang mas malaki.
Hindi. So,
Pero
ganyan
magkano-
kalaki o mas malaki dyan?
Mas malaki po ng konti.
Yung bag po nang galing sa OVP o galing sa Land Bank?
Dala po ni client, OBP.
So dala po nila yung bag. So handa na po sila para kunin yung pera.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So ilang milyon kada bag ang nailalagay?
Sila po kasi yung nag-insert na po dun sa bag, naglagay sa bag. From the teller, nung ni-release po ng teller, sila na po ang nag-divide dun sa bags.
Without the supervision of Land Bank or under the supervision of Land Bank?
Witness pa rin po ng nag-release na teller.
So thank you that we invited the teller. Now question, I can imagine kung 4 na bag yun, 125 divided by 4, more or less would be around 30, 35. You know, my math isn't so good. Kaso lang, I would imagine, mabigat po yun.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So ilang tao ang kinikailangan, mga 31 million, no? 31 million, tama. So ilang tao ang napansin ninyo na bumubuhat nung isang bag?
As far po na remember ko,
Pakilapit po yung mic.
sa pagkakaalala ko po, 2.
So dalawa kada bag.
Mr. Chair, very quick interjection. Quick interjection.
Congressman Garin.
Ilang kilo po ang 35 million, Mr. Chair?
Hindi ko po ma-estimate, Mr.
I'm sorry, Congressman Garin, I'm not in a position to answer that, no? But actually, that was my point. Kasi kung mabigat po yun, I would imagine. So kung 2 tao kada bag, 4 na bag, yun po ay binabalikan ng 2 tao o more than 2 people accompany Ms. Acosta to withdraw the cash?
More than 2 people po.
More than 2. So are you saying 4? How many individuals?
More or less po sa pagka-remember ko.
Kasi nung tinitingnan ko po, Ms. Sanchez, how long have you been working with Ms. Gina Acosta?
Since I joined the
Attorney
OVP,
Sanchez.
Yeah.
yes, since I joined the OVP, Mr. Chair,
How would you describe her build? Is she as tall as you are? Kasi tangkad mo ba siya? Medyo payat? Ano po ang pangangatawan ng Miss Gina Acosta? Hindi ko pa po kasi nakikita ito eh.
similar to my build, Mr. Chair, pero baka mas payat po, Mr. Chair.
Mas payat. At kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, more or less, ilang taon na po si Miss Gina Acosta?
Mr. Chair, I will just check po yung date of birth. But
What about you, Attorney Lopez? You've been working with Gina Acosta for quite a number of years. How old is Miss Gina Acosta?
Your Honor, I would suppose not yet 60, but maybe 50, mid-50s.
59, Chairman.
59.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much for informing me. And and what is her build?
Similar as mentioned earlier by Director Sanchez.
So, would you say that it will be physically impossible for someone of the same build as Attorney Sanchez to carry one duffel bag by herself?
I cannot. Yes, it would be physically impossible.
It would be physically impossible. Kaya nga nangailangan sila ng 4 na tao. So therefore, Mr. Chair, I would like to support the motion of Congressman Paduano. It is also important for us to find out kung sino pa yung 4 na tao na kasama ni Gina Acosta mag-withdraw ng 125 million pesos sa Land Bank. Land Bank, as a matter of procedure, pag meron po bang mga pumapasok na tao para mag-withdraw ng ganito kalaking pera, nasa logbook nyo naman po yun, di ba?
Yung
As a
pong-
security measure, I would assume, a withdrawal of this amount would require certain signatories and IDs to be presented.
sa guards logbook po ba yung we're talking po?
No, either the guard's logbook or the bank record logbook.
Sa bank records po, wala po kaming logbook na maintain as to the...
So, ang nasa
recording
inyo, basta si Gina Acosta ang nakapirma. Hindi nyo
Opo.
na isinama doon yung mga kasama niya para dalhin yung pera.
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Wala. But doon sa logbook ng guard, nandun yun?
I'm not so sure, Mr. Chair. We'll
Siguro
check po.
magandang malaman din natin kasi critical sa atin malaman yung mga individual. Sino po yung finance
Mr. Chair.
department? Yes, yes. Very quickly, but I'll just before I lose my point, Vice Chairman Benny, sino po yung finance and admin head? Yeah, Attorney Sanchez. So, sino po ang kasama ni Gina Acosta tuwing magwi-withdraw po ng pera ng confidential fund ng Office of the Vice President?
Mr. Chair, may I respond?
Attorney
Yes.
Sanchez.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, as mentioned earlier, from the end of finance, once we release the check to the payee, we already have we do not have participation.
No. That's not my question, ma'am. My question is, di ba, you're handling admin as well. So, human resource, employees. So, 125 million is a big amount. And I would expect some sense of security would be implemented by the Office of the Vice President. Kasi tama yung sinabi ni Congressman Garin eh. Baka mamaya magka-interest doon na nalaman na isang tao na kasing laki mo lang ang may buhat-buhat 125 million. Talagang pwedeng pagtangkaan na nakawan yon. So dapat may kasamang tao, may magsisecure. So who were those persons who accompanied Gina Acosta withdraw that money?
Mr. Chair, as to the security arrangements for the withdrawal of the money, I was not part of the arrangements, Mr. Chair, so it was not relayed to me, Mr. Chair. But
Mr. Chair, I think that would be an answer I cannot accept, Mr. Chair, kasi kayo po ang tagapamahala nun eh. Kayo ang pumirma ng cheque. In fact, it was so quick that all 4 of you signed the check on the same day. There was haste in the office to withdraw that cash. So I would expect that in the same manner, you would also secure that fund. Kasi dito nga, December 20 ba yun? Sabay-sabay yung pinirmahan yung disbursement voucher eh. Actually, nagulat nga ako, sobrang bilis ninyo eh. 3 signatory, isang araw, nagawa ninyo eh. So ipinakita nyo na minamadali nyong makuha yung pera. So ang tanong ko, sa pagmamadali ninyo, siguro naman, tiniyak nyo rin, dahil nga nagmadali kayo, mahalaga sa inyo to, sisiguraduhin naman natin na secure yung pera. Ang tanong ko, oras na ibinigay nyo yung cheque sa Land Bank, sino ang kasama ni Gina Acosta i-withdraw yung pera?
Mr. Chair, respectfully, I really have no personal knowledge as to the companions of the special dispersal.
Because, Mr. Chair,
officer.
this did not happen only once. It happened in December. It happened in January. It happened again, I think, sometime in April. I can be wrong. And maybe again in September. Tama ba ako? Ms. Sanchez? Parang ganun yung dates, di ba?
The last one was in July, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, okay. So, it happened 4 times. So, Mr. Chair, Ma'am Villa Del Rey, kayo, malalaman nyo ba kung sinong kasama ni Gina Acosta nung withdraw yung pera?
Ma'am Villa Del Rey, you are recognized.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I don't have knowledge po kung sino yung companion ni Ms. Gina Acosta.
Kasi alam mo, Mr. Chair, ang nakakapagtaka dito sa Office of the Vice President, mabilis silang pumirma ng disbursement voucher para mag-issue ng cheque. Tumawag pa sila in advance sa Land Bank para siguraduhin na may pera ang bangko para withdraw yung pera. Kaso lang, wala naman silang nilalagay na action para pangalagaan yung pera. Ni nga paglalagyan ng 125 million, wala na silang pakialam kung saan nila ilalagay. Kasi ang sinabi ni Ms. Sanchez kanina, yung vault ay para lang sa petty cash. Sabi niya may cabinet dun, but I doubt you'll put 125 million pesos in a cabinet. Not unless that cabinet is secured and large enough to hold that amount. So what I don't understand, Mr. Chair, is how come they are so reckless and carefree with such a huge amount. And this is just 125 million. We're not even talking about the 37 million that was withdrawn from the DepEd. So for me, Mr. Chair, this is unacceptable.